Welcome. My name is Thomas. I'm back again with another video talking about digital marketing training, the core foundational information needed to start your online journey, to have an online business is what I offer. That's what I bring to the marketplace. This is a hot in demand product. We have people selling similar products out here that's charging 2 or 3 times more than what we're charging for this product. But one of the reasons this product is not expensive but is valuable and has foundational core training in it is because the person who created this product cared about the people she tried to serve. She cares about the people she wants to help. She cares about the people she wants to make an impact in the lives of, who wants to start an online business but don't feel they should have to invest $2,000 or $3,000 in a course to teach you how to create a course. And so anybody who wants to do an online business, in other words, you're talking about a digital business with digital assets, which training you need to have, which comes with information you need to be familiar with. All these things you need to possess when it comes to starting your online journey that you don't already have, you must be willing to invest in it. And there's many ways to do that. You have to figure out for you which is the most and best way for you to do that, because only you can decide. My job, my goal, my desire is to see you succeed, to see you be successful, and to see you make it, because that's the same desire and goal I have for myself, I have for you. So just like I got started years ago, when it came to me, always wanted to have my own business, always wanted to be my own boss, but too young to figure out what it was. As I started in my life, it came to me that what it would be what I do now, and that's help people start their own tax preparation business from A to Z through my mentorship for new tax professionals, mentorship and coaching program. But at the same time, I help more than just one group of people get started online. I help people who want to start an online business, who want a done for you product that they can invest in, they can learn from, and they can position themselves to make money from, all at the same time, because this product comes with master resale rights. And master resale rights is not nothing new. You might be new to you, but it's a term that's been out here for years, just like PLR rights and master resale rights are similar, but they're not terms that's new. It's based on your experience or lack of experience if you heard of these things. And it's my job to educate you and let you know that this opportunity to invest in your education when it comes to having an online business and having the digital marketing training access to it, that's going to help you get the knowledge and skills needed for success, is what I bring to the table. This here digital marketing course has been upgraded to the 2.0 version, which gives you more modules, gives you more training, gives you more of everything that's going to allow you to be a well-rounded online business entrepreneur once you invest in this, learn from this, implement from this, and start to grow from this. And that's the keys to success, is that when I got started with the business I do now, I had to start from somewhere. I started from, number one, learning how to prepare individual 1040 tax returns in order to provide tax preparation service years ago. I got started in 1995 on my journey. That's what exposed me to the business model that I would end up doing right now today, by taking that course, deciding that I enjoyed what I was learning and what I was doing when it came to helping others with their tax preparation needs. And so that was the business model and the career I pursued that I do right now today still. But the thing is, as you keep learning and as you keep growing as a person, you find yourself going down different paths and different directions inside your business. So I'm not where I was when I first got started. When I first got started years ago, I was just simply taking a tax preparation course, decided I enjoyed it, decided this was something that could be an awesome career for me, that if I took care of it, it would take care of me. So it was revealed to me during that process that this could be it if I was ready for it, but I wasn't ready for it at the time because I had issues that I had to deal with. But I told myself to this here awesome career industry of tax preparation and taxation. And even though I'm not talking about this opportunity being that, this just is my story and giving you an idea of how I come to be where I am today and how you can do the same, by letting you know that I didn't always know how to prepare individual income taxes. I had to go out and learn that. I had to figure out what vendor or institution or place I would go learn that. And so for me, it made more sense based on where I live to go to a local place that was more affordable and accessible to me making classes and learning to get started. And so that's what I did. And so it's the same aspects for you when it comes to coming online, want to have an online business, and trying to figure out what you're going to say or what you're going to offer to the marketplace. And so if you're a person that's know they don't want their own digital course or don't want to have to create their own digital products or service, then this here speaks to you. This is the opportunity for you to invest in the digital marketing training portion of what's going to give you the knowledge and skills needed to build out your online business. And you want to come sooner versus later with the mindset that I want to come to start a business. Because see, the mindset needed to be successful can either go for you or against you based on how you see it. Mindset is another way of saying the way you think, the way you see the world, the way you see yourself, the way you see things around you. So that's another word for mindset. And so you want to have the mindset that, hey, I'm looking to start an online business, because the mindset for that gives you a better positioning on what you need to go out and do that's going to allow you to be successful once you get started with the online business, because the business mindset is one of a whole nother caliber than a person just looking for a work at home job or a person just looking to work a job. And those mindsets and those thinkings are totally different from the entrepreneur / business owner who comes to understand that, number one, I want to have the mindset that I'm looking to start an online business. Number two, the bonus I'm going to give you if you decide to purchase this product through me is that I'm going to help you set up your business from a paperwork standpoint, meaning the EIN number, which is the employer identification number that you need, that's going to position you as a business, because you don't want to use your social. You want to separate what you're doing as a business from your personal, because that's important down the road. And so I'm here to educate you and let you know that, yes, I'm a whole lot of people out here who's selling this product. There's a whole lot of people out here selling a similar product, but I'm hoping I can build a connection and a rapport with the person that's looking to get started in their online journey, who understands that they need to invest in this digital marketing training that's going to give them the foundational information needed to go out and learn this information, start to implement this information, start to grow from this information, and eventually position themselves to start making money from this information, because it comes with master resale rights that allows you to sell it as your own. And so don't take it lightly and don't look down on this because I didn't create the product. Because see, my whole philosophy is about keeping it simple, not trying to reinvent the wheel. And so why would I go out and try to create a digital marketing training course that's robust like this when someone has been there and done it already, who's given me master resale rights to it, where I can sell it as my own? But the only difference between me and a lot of other people is I'm going to let you know that, number one, I didn't create the course. Number two, it made no sense for me to have to create the course because someone already beat me to it. And so I'm taking what they've already created because it has the quality needed for me to invest in and learn from and grow from and be all I can be from with my digital business. See, this is a digital business that we have online, but we have to learn how to do that. Just like I had to learn how to prepare individual income taxes just to provide the service of tax preparation, and I had to learn other things along the way as well when it comes to starting my business that I didn't know, but I knew I didn't know it. So I knew over time I had to keep learning and growing and become the person I need to become, because by myself, I only could take myself so far inside of my business. So I had to keep investing in other people who was more profitable and more successful than I was, who had the lifestyle and the freedom that I wanted to acquire. I had to follow those type of people, because if I'm the smartest person in the room, then I need to find another room. Same goes for you. And so this marketing message right now speaks to the person who, A, comes to understand I want to start an online business. B, I'm not looking for a product or service to create on my own. I'm looking for a done-for-you opportunity to resell it to people who need it just like I do. And so through your marketing message and your target audience or your targeted market is who your message is going to be crafted for. So my message that you hear me talk about right now is all for the person who wants to start an online business, who wants a done-for-you product that they can invest in, learn from, grow from, and make it be all it can be over time. That's who my marketing message speaks to. And so that's what you'll learn through this digital marketing educational training course, is the foundational information needed to build out your online business from A to Z. Branding, email marketing, blogs, all the different aspects of having a digital business this digital marketing course gives you. But the problem is people want a free 99 day way on YouTube, and YouTube is an awesome, great place to go do your research. It's an awesome, great place to go learn some stuff from. But it's not the place you want to go try to build out a business for yourself and count on that place for learning. That's not, YouTube ain't that. YouTube is great if you want to learn how to do specific tasks in a short amount of time versus you paying for a full-fledged course to learn it. YouTube is great for that, but it's not great for you to use as a way to build and start a business. It's just not. Because see, the problem with that is there's too many people who got their own philosophy, got their own way of doing business, got their own approach, got their own spin to whatever they're doing that's going to be different. So you don't want to follow all these different people that you might like, that you might trust, that you might have a connection to, because these people are talking about what's successful to them and what they're doing and how they're doing it. There's no way you're going to be able to listen to all these different people and bring it all together as one and learn from it and get results from it. The only way you can do that is if you're a genius. If you're a genius, my hat's off to you. I'm not mad at you. But for the average person getting started in their online journey and talking about having an online business, you want to follow one leader. You want to follow one trusted advisor. You want to follow one path, one person, one platform, one message that speaks to the target audience you're looking to work with. Your target audience might be different than mine. You might want to pursue a different audience. My audience is the person who's looking to start an online business, who don't want to create their own product or service, and they want to invest in something that's already ready for them like I do. So that's who my target audience is. Yours can be whatever you decide to be. You decide that for yourself. I can't. But if you invest in this digital marketing course through me and my link that's inside this video, you will get leadership, you will get training, you'll get insights, you'll get support and understanding. Because see, what you don't know that I know, unless you've already been in this industry, unless you've already been in business in general over time, doing whatever it is, where you come to learn some things like I have, is that I did a video earlier on Facebook where I talked about, did I have a clue when it came to starting my business, what that would look like, what I'm getting myself into? No, I didn't. And you know why? Because number one, that wasn't even my mindset. That wasn't even my thought process. My thought process was, growing up, I wanted to be my own boss. I wanted to have my own business. And at the time, I was too young to know what that was because I haven't lived life long enough to come to that conclusion. And so that was the most overpowering desire for me. And so as I live my life, that's how I came across the field I do today, the business I do today, the way I help people today. And so those type of thoughts never entered my mind because I was excited and looking forward to starting and having a business one day. And I was curious about what that would look like, what that would be. And so as me being in business me being in the tax preparation industry for 22 years, 16 as a business owner, I'm still learning, I'm still growing, I'm still becoming the person I want to become to get to where I want to go. And in the process, you go down different paths, you take different avenues, you take different routes to get to different places based on your desire, based on what feels right and feels good to you, and not what somebody else tell you should be doing. So this here digital marketing educational course, foundational training for online business success, one-time investment of $500, the digital business roadmap is just a name I threw on this. This is a marketing strategy that you'll learn about if you decide to jump into this course and learn from someone in real time about the different nuances that the course won't talk about, because the course is just a course. You need to learn and be a part of somebody else's world who's been in business as long as I have, who can give you the different nuances of what it looks like and what it tastes like and what it feels to have a successful business for yourself where you're making money at the high service of helping people get started in their journey to having a business and eventually making money. That's a great feeling to have, where I make a living, where I go to sleep at night knowing I help someone make money. I help someone set their business up. I help someone get the right mindset, the right frame of thought, the right picture set on what it's going to take realistically for them to be successful. That's what I help people do. So if you know you want to start an online business, you want to dump your digital product, this here message is talking to you. If you're ready to take action and make that investment, the link is inside the video. Make the investment. Get started. I'm going to reach out to you the following day. We can get on a phone call, from there a Zoom call, and we can get to know one another even more closer and build a more deeper connection and relationship with one another, where we can help each other succeed in the business we're trying to make happen. Because see, I'm not that type of person where I'm looking down low on anyone, because everyone that I work with, without them, I don't have a business. Without them, I can't make a living. Without them, I have nothing to bring to the table if I don't have someone to work with. So that's why we learn through digital marketing training how to go out and do that effectively each and every day inside of our businesses. So you don't want to start a business where you showing up 3 days out of 7 and you're wondering why you're not getting engagement, you're not getting views, you're not getting likes, you're not getting shares, you're not getting all these different things you think you should be getting, because the way we need to show up inside of our businesses to get the results we want to get, 9 out of 10 of us don't do enough to even get those results. And so it's my job and my desire and my goal and my ambition to work with 100 people in 2024 to help them generate $10,000 a month faithfully every month for the next 12 months. It's going to take work on my part. It's going to take even more work on your part, because you got to be the one to do the work. My part is much more simpler than yours, because I'm just a tour guide. I'm just a trusted advisor that's going to give you information. I'm going to guide you and make sure you don't run into brick walls and through glass windows and all these pitfalls that are already waiting out here for you when it comes to having a business that you're not even aware of that exists. I'm here to save you the frustrations and challenges that we go through as business owners when it comes to being new to what we're trying to do and not knowing all the landfills and things that's available out here that's designed to trip us up, not on purpose, but life itself will get to you. But you got to make sure that the why or the reason or the desire for what you're doing is more bigger and powerful and greater than the need to make money. It just is. So thank you for watching this. Share this video with someone you know that's looking for me. See, people out there looking for me don't even know it. I know it, but they don't know it. And the reason I can say that with confidence is because I've been in business long enough to know that people are looking for me. I already know what I had to offer. People already out here searching for it. They looking for it. They just haven't came across me yet. Same with you. You got people waiting for you to get started. You got people waiting for you to take action. You got people waiting for you to start your online business so they can start to hear your marketing message, to hear your content, to hear what you're about, what you had offered, so you can be a leader in someone's life. So you can be a trusted advisor in someone's life to help them get started on their journey. See, there's people out here waiting for us, and we don't even understand that. We got people who will never get started in their business because they're waiting for certain people to get started in their business. And so I believe that. So take action if you're ready. If you got questions you need to ask me that's going to help you make this investment into this product, because I'm not here to convince you. That ain't what I do. I'm here to educate, give you awareness so you can take action and get results. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.